Thank you, Sarah MC. And to our Regional Director, Dr. Evelyn Pitalvero, ma'am. Our Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Ronelo L. Primo. To our member of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, headed by our Vice Mayor Rex Daguman. To the School Division Superintendents, Assistant Superintendents, to the educators, the future journalists, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
It is with great pleasure and honor that I welcome you all to the opening ceremony of the 2024 Eastern Visayas Regional Schools Press Conference. As we gather here today, we are not just celebrating the prowess of young minds in journalism, but also embracing a profound mission to align campus journalism with the Matatag agenda. The theme of this conference, breaking down barriers of isolation and their indifference and mediocrity, building up support for inclusion, collaboration, and excellence, resonates deeply with our commitment to fostering a society built on principle of unity, empathy, and progress. In a world where barriers often separate us, whether it is a geographical, societal, or ideological, it is imperative that we, as educators and leaders, strive to break down these barriers and build bridges of understanding. Through the power of journalism, we have the opportunity to connect communities, amplify voices, and inspire change. However, to truly realize the potential of campus journalism, we must confront the indifference and mediocrity that may impede our progress. We must empower our young journalists to strive for excellence, challenge the status quo, and fearlessly pursue the truth. As we embark on this journey, together, let us reaffirm our commitment to inclusion, collaboration, and excellence. Let us embrace diversity of thought and perspective, recognizing that it is through our differences that we find strength. Let us work hand in hand across districts, provinces, and cities to build a future where every voice is heard and every story matters. To the participant of this conference, I recommend you for your dedication and passion for journalism. You are the future storytellers and the truth seekers and the change makers of tomorrow. Seize with the opportunity to learn, to grow, and to make difference. In closing, I extend my sincerest gratitude to the organizers, the sponsors, and supporters who have made this event possible. Together, let us embark to this journey with determination, courage, and conviction, knowing that by aligning campus journalism with the Matatag agenda, we can truly make a difference in this world. Thank you, and may this conference be a resounding success. Dayon kamo sa Kalbayo.